We simply live in a billionaire's world. In the US, where's the most expensive house? What amenities, including double-digit car garages, regulation-sized basketball courts, and multiple swimming pools, are considered standard? With this look at several palatial homes, from a skyscraper in India to a hilltop mansion in California, you'll find answers to these questions and much more, including some of the properties Amazon founder and former CEO Jeff Bezos purchased during his real estate spree over the past few years. Today, we're taking a look at the most expensive houses in the world and what it takes to have one. Even though rising interest rates could cool housing prices later this year, the luxury housing market remains hot. As residential school estates prices continue to rise, design details like walk-in showers that open to the outdoors or back kitchens, also known as butler pantries, that hide the mess are becoming increasingly commonplace in the luxury market. In addition, as a result of spending so much time at home over the past 2 years, we have really changed the way we want to live in our homes. With the pandemic accelerating the move away from open floor plans and giving architects, interior designers, and landscape architects the opportunity to envision what the future of the American house will be like. If you're looking for inspiration for your garden, you can see The One, a Bel Air mansion with 5 pools and one of the most expensive homes in the country, or Oprah's Rose Garden and Montecito. There is, after all, no better way to indulge your lifestyles of the rich and famous fantasies than to indulge in them. Let's get into it. The Hidden Hills, California, home of Kim Kardashian and Kanye West. Kardashian and West bought this estate in 2014 for $20 million, reportedly the former home of Lisa Marie Presley. West described the massive house to Architectural Digest as a futuristic Belgian monastery, after working with Belgian designer Axel Vervedoor in order to display their art collection, which included pieces of Isabel Roer. The estate was almost entirely white, reflecting the couple's minimal style. Michael Jordan's Illinois estate. Recently, the house of the basketball star in Highland Park, Illinois, was listed for $14.9 million, nearly half of its original $29 billion price. A 2020 docu-series about Jordan's career with the Chicago Bulls, co-produced by ESPN and Netflix, may bring new interest to the estate, which features more than 50,000 square feet of living space, a basketball gym, a 14-car garage, and 7 acres of land. The former Textile Museum in Washington, D.C. The former Textile Museum in Washington, D.C. was purchased by Jeff Bezos in October 2016 for $23 million in cash, over the asking price by $1 million. There are 2 homes on Bezos' Calorama property that total 27,000 square feet. The Textile Museum occupied this property for nearly 90 years until it moved to George Washington University in 2013. In 2015, the 2 mansions were sold together for $19 million, both of which are on the National Register of Historic Places. The penthouse at the Getty Residences in New York City, a luxury condominium building designed by architect Peter Marino, now occupies this corner in Manhattan's Chelsea neighborhood. Once the site of a Getty oil gas station, in 2018, billionaire investor Robert F. Smith purchased the penthouse, which contains 10,000 square feet spread over 3 floors of the building. Oprah Winfrey's Promised Land in Montecito, California. Her sanctuary on the California coast is known for her privacy, but she is shared with Veranda, the extensive rose garden she designed with master Rosarian Dan Bifano, in addition to redecorating the 23,000 square foot Georgian mansion with rose tarlow. Oprah collaborated with her legendary designer. The Playboy Mansion in L.A. Holmby Hills neighborhood. Originally built in 1927, the Gothic Tudor Revival estate was the home of Hugh Hefner, founder of Playboy magazine. It has 6 bedrooms, 6 full baths, a tennis court, a swimming pool, a 4-bedroom guest house, and of course the legendary grotto. 2016, the mansion was the most expensive house on the market in the U.S. at the time when it was listed for $200 million. The Broadway department store was founded by Arthur Letts, Jr., son of Arthur J. Letts, and was designed by Arthur R. Kelly, the Bel Air home of Jay-Z and Beyonce. As Beyonce and Jay-Z's Bel Air residence is fully loaded as they come, with about 30,000 square feet of indoor living space and 10,000 square feet of outdoor living space, including 4 outdoor swimming pools and a basketball court. 2017, the couple purchased the house for $88 million, setting a Bel Air record for the most expensive home sale. 924 Bel Air Road in Bel Air. With this 38,000 square foot Bel Air mansion, developer Bruce Makowski thought of everything a billionaire would want at home. In addition to the more traditional trappings of 2 primary bedrooms, 10 guest suites, 21 bathrooms, 3 kitchens, 5 bars, and even a massage room and wellness spa, the estate boasts more outrageous amenities such as a helipad, infinity pool, candy wall, 2 wine cellars, 4-lane bowling alley, and a pop-up outdoor theater. In the U.S., it would have been the most expensive home to sell for its original listing price at $250 million. Donald Trump's Mar-a-Lago in Palm Beach. The value of Trump's Palm Beach resort turned residence is hard to determine, but Forbes estimated at $160 million in 2018. In 1985, Trump purchased the estate built by Marjorie Merriweather Post, which cost about $10 million. Post left the residence to the federal government when she died in 1973, but presidential and diplomatic retreats. It was expensive to maintain the house, so the government returned it to the Marjorie Merriweather Post Foundation in 1981. It sold to Trump 4 years later. Following his departure from the White House, Trump once again took up residence there. Trump used it as a private residence until 1995 when he converted it into a private club. Palazzo di Amor in Beverly Hills. With spectacular views of LA and the surrounding canyons, this Mediterranean-style estate is owned by billionaire developer Jeffrey Green. Among the other sublime features are a vineyard, manicured gardens, waterfall, Turkish spa, DJ booth with a revolving dance floor, and laser light system, movie theater with 150 seats, and 150 car parking. Bill Gates' Zandu 2.0 in Medina, Washington. In the Seattle suburb of Medina, Gates built a 66,000 square foot waterfront estate that took 7 years and $63 million to complete. As expected, the house is packed with high-tech amenities such as a sensor system that controls temperature and lighting, an underwater music system in the pool, artwork displayed on a computer screen, 6 kitchens and 24 bathrooms are also reported to be included in the mansion. Spelling Manor in Homey Hills. This 56,000 square foot home was once the home of a late television producer Aaron Spelling, and it boasts 14 bedrooms and 27 bathrooms. A 40-foot high foyer inspired by the Terra plantation from Gone, and the wind accentuates the over-the-top style right at the front door. There are several amenities of the estate, including a gym, wine cellar, beauty salon with 3 stations, massage rooms, and a tanning room. The one in Bel Air. Approximately 100,000 square feet of living space, largest modern house in the U.S., are on the market for $295 million after almost 10 years of development and design. As part of Niall Niami's development and design, the property is located on the highest promenade in the Bel Air neighborhood of LA and features 26-foot ceilings, 42 bathrooms, 21 bedrooms, 5 swimming pools, and a 30-car garage gallery, all with panoramic views of the Pacific Ocean, the San Gabriel Mountains, and in downtown LA. Villa La Leopolda in Villefranche-sur-Mer, France. This 11-bedroom, 14-bathroom estate, purchased on 50 acres in France's Alpes-Maritimes department on the Côte d'Azur region, is owned by Lily Safara, the widow of Lebanese-born Brazilian banker Edmond Safara. Alfred Hitchcock's 1955 film To Catch a Thief was filmed here, featuring a greenhouse, helipad, outdoor kitchen, and stunning pool. The Villa La Leopolda was built by American architect Ogden Codman Jr. in the 1920s and early 1930s. Named after its original owner, King Leopold II of Belgium, who gifted it to his mistress, Blanche Zelia Josephine Delacroix. Antilla Tower in Mumbai, India. For India billionaire Mukesh Ambani, the 27-story, 400,000 square foot residence in Mumbai's Kambala Hill neighborhood was designed in consultation with Chicago-based architecture firm Perkins & Will and Santa Monica-based hospitality design firm Hirsch Bender Associates. 6 floors serves as car storage, a car service station, a temple, a 50-seat movie theater, and 9 high-speed elevators in this tower, which can withstand a magnitude 8 earthquake. Buckingham Palace in London. There are 775 rooms, 52 royal and guest bedrooms, 78 bathrooms, and 92 offices in the Queen of the United Kingdom's London home, which remains the world's most expensive house. Buckingham Palace has been the monarchy's official London residence since 1837. Even though the British Crown's Trust owns numerous castles and estates throughout the country, the Scottish Highlands are where Queen Elizabeth II spends her annual summer holiday. So what do you think? Would you want to live in one of them, or are they a bit too much? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. As always, take care, and we'll see you in the next video.